Daniel, we are now ready for the second round. Which color do you want to choose? We have blue, purple, green, pink, yellow, and orange. Which one do you want to choose?
Green.
Green! And Daniel said that was his favorite color, kids. So now he's going to use his favorite color, finally.
Welcome to Danny's World of Fun! Hey kids, we're going to be doing a video about a t-shirt craft.
Okay, kids, how we do this is that we get the plain white t-shirt that is right here, and we're gonna paint it, and we're gonna put the paint on these different shapes and paste the shapes onto the t-shirt. Right, Daniel?
Yes!
So, Daniel, are you ready to get the first shape painted?
Yes!
Okay, let's do it. So, Daniel got his color. What color is that, Daniel?
This is lemon.
Lemon, which is a yellow color, right?
Yes!
So Daniel has his first color and he's going to put it onto the shapes. So Daniel, we have a circle over there. We have a star. And we have two triangles and another circle. Which one are you going to choose?
The circle.
Kids, make sure that you put a lot of paint on it so you'll be able to paste onto your t-shirt. Right, Daniel?
Yes!
Daniel, I have a quick question. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Green? Why didn't you use green then? I guess Daniel made a mistake. So Daniel's ready to put his painted circle on top of his t-shirt. Are you ready, Daniel? 3, 2, 1, push on! Press. Now, Daniel, it's time to take it off, okay? So Daniel's gonna take it off now. Oh, it didn't fully go on, but still, that's all right. That looks awesome. Daniel, we are now ready for the second round. Which color do you want to choose? We have blue, purple, green, pink, yellow, and orange. Which one do you want to choose?
Green.
Green! And Daniel said that was his favorite color, kids. So now he's going to use his favorite color, finally. So he's going to take it off. And he's going to choose a star, it seems. Right, Daniel?
Yes.
Okay. So stars are very pretty in the sky, right?
Yes.
There's the stars in the sky. Whoa, they're so beautiful. So Daniel's now putting the paints on top of the beautiful red star. That looks good, Daniel.
Thank you. Okay, kids, I'm going to be putting my star on the shirt.
There it goes. Press, 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 press. Now Daniel's gonna take it off, but let's see what appears. Oh no, it didn't turn out into a star really. Sort of though. So Daniel has two colors on his t-shirt. Daniel's gonna press again, see if he can get a star. Nope, he didn't get a star again. Look at these colors. We have yellow and green. 3 green stars and 1 yellow circle. You know, what's your next color that you're gonna choose?
My next color I'm going to choose is orange.
Daniel, do you want a triangle or a circle or a star? Which one do you want to use?
I want a circle.
Okay, so Daniel's going to use a tiny circle, not the big circle. Okay, so Daniel's ready now to put on his circle.
Yes.
Press, press, press.
I'm ready to take it off now.
There we go. We have a circle. So now we have yellow, green, and orange. Kids, get the paint, take off the top, make polka dots. Okay, kids, so I pre-painted this one for Daniel and this one, and the one he's holding in his hand, he just painted. And now we're gonna put them on right now. Okay, Daniel, so put it on. Kids, these are gonna be his final paint stickers on his t-shirt. So he has to press the corners. Press, Daniel, press. Press the corners, yay. Then kids, he's gonna lift it up now. Kids, that's a beautiful star. These didn't work, but that became a star.
It looks nice. The other stars were not even stars, but this one looks even better.
Yep, this is an awesome t-shirt.
So kids, if you have a white t-shirt, you can do this with your t-shirt. You can have colors, put pink, orange, purple, and all the colors.
Yep, and it'll look beautiful, right?
Yes.
Whoa, kids, Daniel's all done with his t-shirt now. These stars don't look too good. Daniel, I believe if you flick your fingers, they'll look beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. What? Kids, look at this.
Whoa, it turned into a beautiful shirt. Before it looked so terrible. Whoa, that's beautiful. Do you want to try it on?
Yes.
Okay, let me pull back a little bit and...
Whoa. This looks so cool.